Good morning to all, dear students. Okay, we are going to discuss tomorrow numerical problems on thermodynamics. Okay, na? So listen carefully. It will be asked for your examination in exam for 3 marks. Okay, so it will help for your exam. Okay, already we have discussed some more problem and we will discuss now only. Okay, numerical problems on thermodynamics. First one. Okay, so Carnot engine takes 3 into 10 raised to 6 calorie of heat from a reservoir at 627 degree Celsius and gives it to a sink at 27 degree. Okay, so find the work done by the engine. So in thermodynamics, what are heat engine, Carnot engine, what is the efficiency of heat engine, what is the efficiency of Carnot engine. By using formula, you should have to do the problems. Okay, so this is for 3 marks question. Remember, 3 marks. Okay, so solution. So what are the given things you should have to write? So Carnot engine takes how much energy? 3 into, that means Q1 is equals to 3 into 10 raised to how much? 6 calorie. Okay, next temperature T1 is equals to 627 degree Celsius. Okay, so add into Kelvin temperature, we have to add 273. Okay, so standard value you will get 900 Kelvin. 900 Kelvin. Okay ना. So what is the temperature at sink T? So this is temperature of reservoir यानी कि source. उसका amount of energy कितना है Q1? This much. Okay, so what is the temperature of sink? 27 plus 273, because you have to add standard value in Kelvin. Okay, 300 Kelvin. Okay, so you have to find out work done. Okay, so you have to find out work done. What is the work done? W is equals to Q1 minus of Q2. Okay, so Q1 is there, Q2 is not there. So first of all find out Q2. So how to find out Q2 is, if Q2 is amount of heat rejected. Okay na, rejected to the sink. So what is the relation? Okay, so what is the relation means, relation यानी कि relation, that means Q2 by Q1 is equals to T2 by T1. Okay na. So this is what amount of quantity, corresponding amount of heat or corresponding amount of heat proportional to corresponding temperatures. Okay na. So how much? Therefore Q2 by Q1 is equals to T2 by T1. Okay, so that is, if you want to find out Q2 is equals to how much? T2 temperature 300 Kelvin, 900 Q2 divided by Q1 means 10 raised to 6. Okay na. So yeah, these two get cancelled. 3 1 ja 3, 3 ja. Okay na. So after doing calculation, Q2 will be how much? 1 into 10 raised to 6 calorie. Okay, so amount of heat is in calorie. So W work is equals to what? Q1 minus of Q2. So Q1 minus of Q2 how much? Q1 minus Q2 is equals to 3 into 10 raised to 6 minus 1 into 10 raised to 6. Therefore 2 into 10 raised to 6 calorie. Okay na. So this much. So 1 calorie is equals to, you have to convert always calorie in terms of joule. Therefore 2 into 10 raised to 6 into, calorie is equals to 1 calorie is equals to 4.2 joule. Okay, so this is SI unit of joule in SI system. This is calories is in the CGS system. Okay, so multiplied by 4.2, it will get in joule answer. So 8.4 into 10 raised to 6 joule. So therefore amount of work how much is this much. Okay, we'll send to notes. You have to follow the just how to calculate. Okay, this is about second one. Okay, coming to second problem. सेकेंड वन प्रॉब्लम देखिए यहाँ पे. सेकेंड वन, calculate the efficiency of Carnot engine operating between these two temperature. Okay, we have to find out eta. Eta means what? 1 minus T2 by T1. Okay, so you have to find out this. Okay, next, what is T1? Okay, what is T1 is equals to T1 how much? 127 plus 273. You have to add here, so you will get 400 Kelvin. Next, what is T2? T2 is 27 plus 273. Okay, so 300 K. So T, तो T1 का मतलब T2 का मतलब, तो कैसा लेना है आपको? तो ऑपरेटिंग बिटवीन 127 बोले तो दिस इज, ये होगा सोर्स, ये होगा सिंक. ओके ना. सो इसको डिग्री सेल्सियस को केल्विन के अंदर ऐड करना है आपको. ऐड करने के बाद केल्विन के अंदर आने के बाद टेम्परेचर यू हैव टू पुट. तो क्या होगा? 1 माइनस 400 डिवाइडेड बाय 300. तो ये दो चले गए. सो व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग? 1 माइनस, ओके, 1 माइनस 3/4. तो आपका आंसर आएगा 1/4. ओके ना, आपका आंसर आएगा 1/4. देयरफॉर ईटा इज इक्वल्स टू 0.25. सो दिस इज 0.25 यानी कि 25%. ओके, यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट लाइक दिस. ओके, विल सेंड यू नोट्स. नेक्स्ट थर्ड देखेंगे यहाँ पे. थर्ड वन, सी व्हाट इज थर्ड हियर? थर्ड प्रॉब्लम देखो. फर्स्ट किसी भी फिजिक्स प्रॉब्लम का करना है तो आपको पढ़ते जाना है केयरफुली. हाउ टू कैलकुलेट, व्हाट आर द गिवन थिंग्स, हाउ यू हैव टू अप्लाई द फिजिक्स फार्मूला. ओके, आपको फिजिक्स का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होना पड़ता उसके लिए. तो इफ़ यू क्लियर द कॉन्सेप्ट यू विल कैन गेट आंसर प्रॉपरली. ओके, read the question. Calculate the efficiency of heat engine working between 100 degrees Celsius and 400 degrees Celsius. Okay, if it absorbs 200 joule per second per cycle from the source, calculate the heat rejected to the sink in one cycle. Okay, so क्या पूछा आपको यहाँ पे? देखिए, you have to calculate, okay, heat rejected to the sink. Q1 Q2 फाइंड आउट करना है आपको, है ना. सो व्हाट आर द गिवन थिंग्स? टेम्परेचर T1 दिए सो है. ओके, T1 मीन्स हाउ मच? 400 डिग्री सेल्सियस. उसको ऐड करो 273. क्यों ऐड करना? केल्विन के अंदर लेने के लिए ऐड करना है. 673 केल्विन. ओके, टेम्परेचर T2 कितना होगा? 100 प्लस 273 हाउ मच? 373. ओके, 373. 373. It is not coming like a, okay, let it be. So try to understand here. Okay, so efficiency का मतलब होगा efficiency eta is equals to 1 minus T2 by T1. okay ना. So 1 minus 373 divided by 673, we will get after calculation 0.446. okay, efficiency मिला. Next, wait, hey. Okay, so we'll find out. देखिए यहाँ पे source, calculate the heat rejected. So heat absorbed how much? It is 200 joule. So ये होगा आपका Q1. How much? 200 joule. Okay, सो Q2 क्या है, इट इज heat rejected to the sink, so you have to calculate Q2. so कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे। तो देखिए नेक्स्ट, ओके कैलकुलेट, अरे यार नेक्स्ट, सो Q2 बाय Q1 इज इक्वल्स टू T2 बाय T1 लेना है। सो व्हाट हाउ टू टेक दिस फॉर्मूला, अमाउंट ऑफ corresponding amount of energy equals to corresponding temperature, so that's why or we'll get Q2 by so Q1 यानी कि 200, so 200 is equals to 373 divided by 673, so how much is Q2, therefore Q2 is equals to, so इसको डिवाइड एंड मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद आपको आंसर आएगा 110.85 जूल। दिस यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट रिजेक्टेड, ओके ना। सो विल डिस्कस लाइक दिस प्रॉब्लम एंड विल गिव यू सम असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चंस टू यू, यू हैव टू सॉल्व एंड टेल मी व्हाट आर द क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर, ओके। सो नेक्स्ट वी विल हैव one more problem, okay, see fourth one यहाँ पे देखिए, एक कार्नोट इंजिन whose efficiency is given, whose efficiency is how much, 40%, it takes from source maintained at a temperature of 500 Kelvin, okay, efficiency दिए सो है, temperature also दिए सो है, so it is desired to have a engine of efficiency 60%, so 60% देने वाला है, तो what should be the intake temperature, तो कितना amount of temperature it should take, तो आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, आपको T1 have to find out here, okay, so efficiency is given, फर्स्ट केस में और सेकंड केस में आपको efficiency दिए सो है, so listen here, efficiency it is equals to 1 minus T2 by T1, okay ना। So in first case, so efficiency means 40%, तो 40% 40 divided by 100 you make it, okay, 1 minus T2 by 500, okay, T1 is given temperature at first, okay, so ये चला गया तो 0.4 बनता, okay, so this implies how much, 0.4 is equals to 1 minus T2 by 500, okay, so T2 by 500 is equals to 1 minus 0.4, so 1 minus 0.4 means 0.6, okay, 0.4, so T2 is equals to 0.6 into 500, how much it is, 300 Kelvin, this is T2, okay। next in first case, in second case में क्या आएगा, आपको 60% of efficiency, therefore eta is equals to 1 minus T2 by T1, okay, यहाँ पे आप फाइंड आउट करना है T1, तो टेम्परेचर ऑफ सिंक इज गिवन, ओके। नेक्स्ट 60% मीन्स ईटा 60% हुआ तो 60 डिवाइड बाय 100 कर सकते, ओके ना। मेक इट करेक्शन हियर, 1 माइनस 300, ओके, इसका टेम्परेचर कितना आएगा आपको, T2 300 आ गया, तो 300 आने के बाद मेक इट T1, देयरफॉर दिस विल गेट कैंसल, 0.6 बनेगा, तो 1 माइनस 300 डिवाइडेड बाय T1, ओके, सो व्हाट इज हियर, T1 is equals to 300 divided by 0.4, how much, 750 Kelvin, so temperature T1 is equals to how much, 750 Kelvin, so this much you have to calculate, this is long answer, like this you have to calculate the efficiency of heat engine working under different condition, so it will be for important for 3 marks question. Okay, make it notes here, will send you notes. Okay, thank you.